Teenagers these days, a digital story. Teenagers these days really aren't that much different from teenagers back in the day. Not too much has changed about teenagers, except maybe their devices. Teens today have grown up with technology that didn't exist 25 years ago, so they are comfortable with it and pretty adept at it too. One thing teenagers like to do with their spare time is read. What do they like to read? Well, pretty much anything. It's historical fiction, true life stories, and nonfiction for some, while others prefer manga and science fiction. Teens have the same feelings, thoughts, and desires that they've always had. They enjoy hanging out with friends, and while individuality and uniqueness is important to them, they still want to fit in with the crowd and feel like they belong somewhere. But isn't that true of all ages of people? While teenagers aren't really hung up on money, when thinking towards the future, they do want to be able to afford a nice house in a decent neighborhood and a nice car. Basics. Speaking of thinking toward the future, teens also think and worry about choosing a career. It's a really big decision that will affect the rest of their life, so they want to get it right. Ultimately, they want to choose something that they're going to be successful in. Just like teens have grown up with technology, they've also grown up with more diversity than any generation before. Due to shifting attitudes in society, more and more LGBTQ plus people are out. We've learned a lot in the past few years about the treatment of Black and Indigenous people of color, and people are also talking about things like mental health and neurodiversity more than ever before. The world is becoming a more tolerant place, and today's teens are here for it. All images, animation, background, and music provided by Powtoon through a personal Powtoon Premium account. And thanks for watching.